Hello everyone, welcome back. So living in Nigeria these days, oh my God, as a young person is honestly not easy, especially when you do not have a job. Okay, you're searching for a perfect, your ideal job, and at the same time you have to take care of yourself, your feeding, your clothing, and basically your necessities to get by. And one of the things that I have advised a lot of young people who personally come to me to discuss this issue with me is for them to start something. Is either you're learning a skill that can pay you, or you're actually starting up a little business that can guarantee you daily income, like someone can buy something from you on daily basis. So I'm making this video because many people want to make money and they want the money they can, something they can start today, tomorrow, and they can actually start seeing small money here and they're not exactly so big, but they can actually start small and they can grow it into something big. So the best thing you can actually do is to start a business that can give you, that will yield your results. Let me put it that way. So today I'm going to talk about 7 income business ideas that anybody can start with. It's between 20k to 100k. You can start with these business ideas and it will start giving you guaranteed, income, daily income. Because I saw a post by an influencer online. The person talked about the sweetness of earning money on a daily basis. And she said it makes her feel like, why do I have to wait for 30 days before I get paid at the end of the month when she can actually earn every day? So stick around with me and you're going to get some profitable, smart income business ideas. And I'm going to be adding 2 bonus, to it, making it 9. So stick around to the end and I'm going to discuss this with you. Of course, I'm your girl, Julia, and watch to the end. I promise you that you will find great business ideas that you can start with small capital. And of course, you're going to earn money. And I'm going to break it down. So are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and on my channel, I talk about everything personal finance, anything you can do to make money. And most importantly, how do you manage the money when you have made it? Because it makes no sense that you make money and you cannot manage it or multiply it. See, in this 21st century, money is supposed to be working for us. Whether it is salary, business money, money from interest, wherever it is coming from, your money should start working for you. So this is why I started this YouTube channel. So I basically educate people on things they can do. So I want you to stick around to the end of this video and subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. I love you so much. And I will always ask for 50 likes on this video. And let's get started. I can't wait. So the first business idea is Zobo business. I'm sure you may have guessed it. Maybe not your number one, but yes, Zobo is easy to start. Now, the good thing about this Zobo is that males can do it, females can do it, so anybody can actually do it, and it's very affordable. Personally, I love preparing Zobo in the house. Like, I love to put everything that I want. If I want it to have more ginger and all of those things, I love to do it. So, Zobo is affordable and healthy also to take because these days there's been a lot on the medical side speaking about people getting healthier. So, Zobo is that kind of thing that you can do. You can brand yours, you can package it beautifully and sell it to eateries. Yes, a lot of eateries, offices, university. University is a top shot. Like if you can, there they have numbers. Supermarkets, you can actually start packaging it for events. So rather than people having only soft drink, beer, and all of that things, you can actually put in your Zobo. I recently saw someone put in her parfait at a wedding event, and it was really beautiful. And you can also sell online. You can even get people who can even take this Zobo from you and even resell. And the starting amount is 20k to 100k, depending on how much you can actually afford. And put a yummy name. A lot of people, I see people who do hibiscus drink, and the ingredients are also so easy to find. So buy nice bottles, okay? Get nice bottles, and you can order them from Lagos. You can design stickers on Canva, and you just get registered with CAC. Post videos of where you're preparing them so that people will get to see that what you're doing is very clean, that you're doing this in a very safe environment. So that will give you a lot. Then look for hashtags. I hope you're liking this video. Let's get into the second one. Palm oil business and storage. My people, this year is as if everybody is really going into palm oil storage and business. The beautiful thing about this is that this is a product you can buy between January to April, and you can sell when the price has actually gone up around August, September, down to December. Now you can actually buy from Akwa Ibom, Calabar, Enugu. There are some states that are actually known for good palm oil. Okay, so start with those places. Get their palm oil. You can bottle it in small sizes. You can sell in 20 liters. Do your own research. You can start this with 100K and up till 1 million depending, but you can start small and start supplying people in offices. I've seen people come into offices and showcase, and people don't have a lot of time these days, and they will really get it from you. So you can repackage it. All you need to do is buy nice bottles, you know, and then if you're going to store it in a cool place and dark place, and that will help you. Palm oil is something that we are so grateful for, that nature has given it to us. So make your price competitive, buy low and sell high, and do it as a rinse and repeat strategy. And the third one is ice block business. The thing is, the weather has been so hot lately, even with the rainy season and everything. I don't know how it is in your own side, but really something cold, something chilling is so much in high demand. So when they talk about selling things to hungry people, when people are so thirsty, if you bring room temperature water, they're not going to look at your face. They will take that cold chilling drink. So ice block is something that a lot of people are actually interested in, but most people run away from it due to electricity bills, especially when you are in band A. So as a matter of fact, in the absence of that, which you can plan very well, all you need is a transparent nylon freezer, water, and a banner in front of your house or a signpost. And all these street vendors can actually start coming to buy from you. All these people that sell, these hawkers that sell, even local restaurant, street vendors, a lot of people will just come around and be buying ice blocks from you. So the only thing that's going to take your money out of everything I've mentioned, because most people have deep freezers in their houses, but how about using it to make money? So that's why I talked about that the ice block business is going to be so much. You see people who are going for picnics and they want to take these coolers and everything. They will love to buy. People do parties, birthday parties, and they don't go, and especially if it's a small one, they look for ice blocks. My brother did it few months ago. We had to go buy ice blocks and we drove to the place. So it's high in demand and I want to look into it. The next one I'm going to talk about is the laundry business. Because these days people are doing lots of work, maybe from 9 to 5 to their side business and some other things. Most people do not even have enough time to do all the washing. And so people are getting busy, they have no time to wash, and they really need people who can come in to wash. So some people have people who come in like 2 3 times a week to wash for them. But if you can strategically put this business and start washing clothes, it may look small, 200 naira, 300, 500, 1000, but by the time someone gives you 50 pieces of clothes, you'll see that you're going to make a lot of money. All you need, of course, is light, of course, washing machine, or you can start from washing by your hands, and then make sure that when people give you clothes that have stain, that you've learned how to take. So I would suggest you even get some basic training. Go learn from people who are already running laundry business, and get some basic information. Then get your soap, detergent, bleach, water, iron, and then you're good to go. This is something you can start from your house. You don't really need an office. You can start from your home, and then when you've grown so big, you can even partner with tailors. A lot of tailors, when they have made clothes, they're looking for someone to pick up these clothes and wash for them and bring them back before the owners pick them up. So you can go to churches, to hospitals. There are many places where you can actually, get in hotels. I know most hotels have their own, but I know that hospitals, there are some private setups that you can actually start from, and that would be super amazing. So laundry business is going to give you some good money, but you need to learn the skill. suggest that you learn the skill. The next one I'm going to talk about, which is the fifth one, is POS business. Yes, everywhere you go, they're like MTN, everywhere you go. So now, the good thing about these people is that they make sure that you do not go to the banks to queue up. And they've been solving a lot of problems. When Money Point came in, sorry, they're not advertising it. They didn't pay me for this, but when they came in, they're just everywhere. They really simplified a lot of banking things that you go into the bank, you want to make transfer money, you want to send money to somebody or receive. They're just there for you. So at between your house to the next, maybe you go into church, you could count like 5 to 10 POS centers, and it's still in good business. Like 90% of Nigerians are using POS for business transaction. Send, receive, easy, fast, saves time, no bank queue up and all of those things. Even in restaurants, supermarket, vendors, small businesses are now using. The lady in front of my street that sells fruits now has POS, and it's amazing. So please make sure you get all you need is just the POS, the table, the chair, and you are good to go. And you can be making daily income. That's why I love this business. You can be making daily income. The next one is fresh eggs business. Now, egg is something that even though we keep saying everything is expensive, most people are eating eggs. So please think of restaurants, think of fast food, think of people, homes, offices that you can all you need to do is to just go to the egg farm, buy eggs, and look for people you can distribute. Go to schools, family, friends, banks. You will find people who are in need of eggs. So make sure you don't miss this. The last one is the plantain chips. Now, plantain chips production is, have you been traveling? If you travel by road, you must eat plantain chips. It's so crunchy. That's me, I love it. I walk into the stores and supermarket to buy. So if you can learn how to do it, it is the learning part that will take your time. But once you've learned it, it's something you can do from your house. Package it and put it to these stores, supermarkets and everything, and you are good to go. Now, here are my two bonus business ideas: Crocs and pure water. Now, when I talk about pure water, I mean the sachet and the bottled water. It's in high demand because water is something we take every day. Now, Crocs is trendy. Come on, everybody is rocking it. I see very beautiful ones. They even add some extra toppings on top of it, and it's so cute. I really love them. So these two businesses are something that you can even do from your home. Once you put them up on your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp status, people will know that you have Crocs. For children, I think the ones for children even sells out more than for adults. I'm not so sure, but I think so. Because I see a lot of children who are rocking Crocs, and because they spoil it so easily, most parents are buying them back. So you can get some contacts, maybe get contact from trade fair markets in Lagos, or get a dealer or a seller, and then you can buy cheap. I know they have this WhatsApp group where people join in, and you can even drop ship. You may not be the owner, but when you see a nice one and you get a client, you get the person's account details, and they make payment, and the person will send it to whoever that wants to buy it, and you get your own cut. So there are so many easy ways that you can actually do this, and I really feel like these two are standing out as perfect bonuses that you can do. For water, your house just puts in front, you sell water, your neighbors will start patronizing you because they will think of driving down to that store. They will just be like, okay, let us just get from you, and before you know it, they're buying 5 bags, 10 bags. Some even do home deliveries. To that extent, I saw that in Lagos when I traveled. Okay, so did you learn something new? I'm going to do another one. I'm going to call that one the student edition, the ones that people that are in school, because I have a lot of students who are under my mentorship, and they keep asking me, what can we do in school that will not affect the things that we do. So you can actually get some good ideas if you're actually a student watching this video. I do hope you can join our community. We have an amazing community where we discuss savings and investing, getting our money to work for us. We have beautiful testimonials. We have a lot of stocks that are printing money for us, and I would love you to join. So did you enjoy today's lesson? Please, like I said before, subscribe, click on the like button, share this video, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. I can't wait to see you drop the ideas. Please tell me more ideas. If you think there are some I missed, please drop them. Drop them, okay, in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to give you another mind-blowing, interesting, and educational video. See you around.